birds. Click on the picture which is of a bird. Well done, friends. Let us learn about the birds.
Look here, these are birds. They are of different colors. They are so beautiful.
I love them in the sky, not in a cage.
Yes, they look beautiful in the sky. Only birds have wings, like an airplane. Birds have wings and two legs. They can fly with the help of wings. Example of birds: crow, sparrow, woodpecker, kite, vulture.
Look here, it is a penguin.
He also belongs to bird family, but it cannot fly. It can only walk or run. Ostrich is also a bird, but it cannot fly.
Look at these ducks.
Ducks also belong to bird family, but they can fly up to a very short distance, but not in sky, and it can swim in water.